Looking for a career option in the IT industry? Unable to decide whether to become an application developer or a web developer? The market for these fields is evolving, and choosing between them can be difficult. Both of these sectors require different skills, cater to different markets, and most importantly, have diverse applications. When making a choice, it's essential to compare them based on the frameworks required for development, the learning curve, career opportunities, salaries, and future trends. So if you're confused about what to choose between web and Android development, then you have clicked the right video. In this video, we will discuss and compare both app and web development on all necessary parameters, helping you choose the right career option for you. How are web and mobile development different? While some may see web developers and mobile app developers as interchangeable, that's a misconception. Although both are tech professionals proficient in coding and project planning, the roles differ significantly. The key difference lies in where their work is distributed and how users access it. Let's delve deeper into the distinctions. Understanding the difference between web and app development. Web development involves coding, designing, and operating web applications and websites. A proficient web developer is expected to design and develop a user-friendly website with easy navigation. The programming languages needed for web development include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Web development can further be divided into three categories. Front-end development. It involves designing the web page, inserting content, and specifying navigation. Back-end development. It involves dealing with database and server-side programming, maintaining data and processing it for user output. Full-stack web development. It involves front-end and back-end development responsibilities. App development involves creating mobile applications that are simple, informative, and easy to navigate, as the name suggests. These apps are developed for mobile devices such as personal digital assistants, mobile phones, and tablets. The most popular languages used for app developments include Java, Kotlin, Swift, and Flutter. Web development versus mobile development. Which career is right for you? Development for website and mobile applications might share a bit of similar grounds, but they are two different career paths that appeal to people with differing interests and strengths. Development of mobile applications tends to require a broader range of skills than web development, including knowledge of various programming languages, app design, and user experience design, making it a good career choice for people who enjoy working on a variety of tasks throughout the day. While the job duties of a web developer can also vary, the scope of their responsibilities is much narrower, with specializations such as front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. To help determine which career path aligns best with your strengths and interests, consider asking yourself these three questions. Do I want to work in an exciting field that is growing rapidly? Would I enjoy learning about app design, UX design, UI design, APIs, backend computing, plus a variety of programming languages? Am I interested in creating functional, user-friendly applications for mobile devices? If you answered yes to these questions, you would very likely be a good fit for mobile app development. If you answered no, let's see if web development is a good choice for you by answering the following. Do I enjoy work that is both technical and creative? Do I want to improve how users experience a website? Am I interested in creating websites that are beautiful, functional, and dynamic? Answering yes to these questions determines that web development would be a better choice for you. Salary and future advancements. Salary is one of the most seen requirements when deciding on career options. In India, salary varies depending upon expertise and experience in the development. As technological advancements are growing day by day, web and app developers have a great future ahead. The demand for good and user-friendly web and mobile applications is continuously going to rise in the future and not going to stop anytime soon. But since learning web development is comparatively easier than app development, the competition for web developers is huge. On the other hand, app developers are relatively lesser in number than web developers, so they are slightly greater in demand. So now that you have a clear picture of what career option suits you best, what are you waiting for? It's time to pick a domain and start learning. Summer is here and it's the perfect time to skill up. Join over 31,500 learners who have already completed their journey from the basics of DSA to advanced level development programs. Why look anywhere else when our DSA to Development Coding Guide can help you master it all in just 3 months? Apply now and future-proof your tech career.